Hey guys, what's happening? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the deck. I'm kind of running in between the raindrops here. It is Sunday evening. I did have the camera over that way, but the sun's going down that way. And it kind of looked like crap, so I moved it over this way so you can see the side of the house anyways. Got me a nice pipe. I didn't really start paying attention to what pipes I'm smoking. This is a Big Ben. Old Briar, and this was an estate buy. It's a great pipe. Anyways, today I am coming back with another blend from Emerson Southern Forged, and this is a spectacular blend called Papplewick. And this was also a blend that was in the first run of blends that I bought from Jim. And me and Jim and my buddy Terry, we've all been talking and coming up with blends, and Jim is knocking it out of the park. Like I said, it's Sunday evening, big day of gardening, cleaning stuff up and fixing things, and well, there's a little gardening video coming out, just messing with some hoops, just to let you know. So you know what I'm smoking out of. You know what I'm smoking, and I am drinking a Polish beer. Okay beer, Oaken. I don't know. I'm not Polish. Can't speak Polish. Excuse me. Every time I turn the camera on, this lighter. All right, got the book. Really trying to keep these, shorten them up. Maybe I'll put out some videos of me bullshitting, but maybe keep the bullshit down and just stick with the blended hand, so to speak. So I first smoked this 12/21, so like 6 months ago, and this has been aging, and it's just getting better with age. I'll tell you that right now. Papplewick, the tin note I got, it was sweet, it was smoky, it has some spiciness, some earthiness to it. It's got a smell that sticks with you, and it was another blend of Jim's that it grew on me. It took me, you know, I did some serious smoking of it. The colors, dark browns, blacks. The cut, it came in a plug, and just, you know, slice it off and rub it out, fold it, whatever you like. I did let it dry slightly when I first started smoking it, and he does have this listed under his Balkan blends. It has Latakia, Izmir, Perique, Stoved Red Virginia, and Black Cavendish. And that Black Cavendish in there, Jim, I think that is rounding it off. And guys out there, the Black Cavendish, some people look down their nose at Black Cavendish, but it's in a lot of blends if you really look, and it's really in there to just not warm everybody up, round everybody off. It gets everybody to go together, so to speak. So when I first started smoking this, I said it was very floral and spicy. So it was very nice. I said it had a great Latakia flavor. It is a bit heavy on the Latakia, and I like that. Top of the bowl, and I am digging this blend. It has a great aftertaste. It has a thin smoke though. It doesn't have the big bellowing smokes. Could be in the pipe I was smoking, but I have noticed that with this blend. I said no Cavendish flavor, and by that I mean when you smoke this blend, you're not gonna think, oh look, I'm smoking Captain Black. Nah. I do believe, and Jim, you can correct me or agree with me on this, that this is an unsweetened Black Cavendish. So there's no toppings, no anything like that on there. I said the Latakia is front and center. I said it reminds me of incense. Yeah, the bowl note, the room note I'm getting, it does remind me of incense. I said, wow. I said this blend is getting better as the bowl goes down. Very good. I said this is a great blend. Wow. And that was my first bowl. I always make a note on my first bowl. And I kept smoking it different times, different pipes. I said, man, this blend is tasty. I said, this is the taste and flavor I think about during the day when I think, what am I gonna smoke when I get home in the evening? And that was in January, February, where it's really cold, not really outside gardening or doing anything. It's cold all day at work, because I work outside. I'm thinking, man, I'm gonna relax in my shop. I have my heater on, I'll listen to a podcast, a cup of coffee. What am I gonna smoke? And this blend was always popping into my head. Now, of course, gotta have an entry of me smoking it out of the meerschaum, because I don't know what it is with the meerschaum. It just kicks ass with Balkan blends and heavier blends. I said, wow, it is even better out of this pipe. I said, this blend is incredible. It's smoky, smooth, and just plain great. I said, the aftertaste is on point. And I do talk a lot about the aftertaste because I've smoked a few blends over my pipe smoking career, which isn't that long, but it isn't that short anymore either, where the blend was okay, the flavors were okay, but in between, set the pipe down to go do something, or when I'm completely done, and it just did not leave a pleasant taste in my mouth. Excuse me. With 6 months of age on this, it got even better. I swear. This is I did leave a card for Walais. I just put out a video for Walais. If you haven't watched it, go watch it, please. And if you're here watching this, please like, subscribe, share my video around, tell people about the videos. I'm trying to get my viewership up, and it's going down. It's going the opposite. I want it to go up, not down. Good beer. It has a taste to it. It's a little different, but it's a full pale beer. I'm not sure what that means. I mean, is it a pale ale? I would guess, but it's from Poland. It's pretty good. But this blend, what am I gonna do? This is another one. I'm 4.5 matchsticks on this, because this blend is that spectacular to me. And with age, it has gotten even better. And I know I'd say the same thing about Emerson Southern Forged blends a lot, and I mean it. If I didn't, actually, the one blend, some people say, oh, you like everything, but the one blend that in the beginning was, he said, his bestseller, and it's what he smoked every day, my buddy Terry loved it, was Point Marion, and I did a take on it. Leave a card, or you can go back and look through the playlist. I wasn't that impressed with it. It wasn't just wasn't in my wheelhouse. It was a good blend and everything. It was good tobacco, but it wasn't a blend that, I think I gave it a 2.5 or a 3. So I don't like all the blends, but this blend is definitely a 4 or 4.5. Papplewick is, I like it. As far as Balkan blends go, this has the flavor punch I like and I want sometimes, especially in the wintertime. Summertime, I will admit, recently I've been smoking a few more cigars than what I do in the winter, because I can sit out on the deck and I can smoke a good cigar. The last couple nights I've had a cigar, I haven't had a pipe. But tonight, I'm like, hey, I like Papplewick. I always want to do a video on it. I've had it for 6 months, and I've been smoking it for 6 months. Oh, that's very good. But the next video is coming out. Hopefully, I'm going to get away from Emerson Southern Forged for a couple videos. I have a couple Frog Morton clones that I really want to jump into, and also a couple from Country Squire. I've been smoking, and I smoked it almost out, Baker Street, and we have to talk about Baker Street. So hey, from the deck, smoking Papplewick, 4.5 matchsticks. I'm Noah. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.